In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add and use auto Fibonacci retracement on TradingView. Before we begin, please note that this is purely for educational purposes. I am not responsible for any losses, and you should always do your own research before making any trading decisions. This tutorial will help you automatically plot Fibonacci retracement levels on your charts, which can be incredibly useful for identifying potential support and resistance zones. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open your TradingView chart. You can do this by going to tradingview.com and selecting the asset you want to analyze, whether that's stocks, crypto, forex, or any other market. Once your chart is loaded, look at the top toolbar and click on Indicators. This will open the Indicators search panel where you can find thousands of technical analysis tools. In the search bar, type AutoFib Retracement. You'll see several options appear, but look for the one that specifically says AutoFib Retracement. Click on it to add it to your chart. The indicator will now automatically appear on your chart, plotting Fibonacci retracement levels based on recent price action. You'll see horizontal lines at key Fibonacci levels like 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, and 78.6%. Now, to customize the settings, look at the top left of your chart where the indicator name appears. Click on the indicator name to open the settings menu. From here, you can adjust various parameters like the look-back period, which determines how many candles the indicator uses to calculate the Fibonacci levels. You can also change the colors of each retracement level, adjust line thickness, and toggle which levels you want to display. Fibonacci retracements are based on the idea that markets tend to retrace a predictable portion of a move before continuing in the original direction. The AutoFib retracement tool saves you time by automatically identifying the swing high and swing low points and plotting the key retracement levels between them. Traders often use these levels to identify potential entry points, stop loss placement, and profit targets. The 38.2%, 50%, and 61.8% levels are particularly watched by traders as potential reversal zones. When price approaches these levels, it may find support during an uptrend or resistance during a downtrend. You can combine Fibonacci retracements with other technical indicators like moving averages, RSI, or MACD to increase the probability of successful trades. Remember, no indicator is perfect, and Fibonacci levels should be used as part of a comprehensive trading strategy, not in isolation. Once you've customized your settings to match your trading style, click OK to apply the changes. The AutoFib retracement will now continuously update as new price data comes in, automatically adjusting the levels based on the most recent swing points. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized the Auto Fibonacci retracement indicator on TradingView. This powerful tool can help you identify key price levels and potential reversal zones automatically. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.